Miss Jumaya, I'm gonna be your host for today. I'm gonna perform practical assessment. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
And hygiene.
Breathe. Do the same thing on the other side.
Do you have any
Do you have any
allergies?
problem with breathing? Okay. Patient able to breathe through both mirrors. To breathe through both mirrors, I'm gonna assess your ears. Size and shape are symmetrical bilaterally. Skin is intact, non-tender to touch.
I didn't
Can
mention. Can
you
you
state
state your name?
Michelle Cabrera,
bilaterally?
Date of birth?
April 8,
Do you know where you're at? The hospital? Do you know what day it is? Who's there? Do you know what time it is?
Lesions. Do you wear any dentures?
Do you know what you're doing?
One causes pinch and
Eight,
pain.
Late Oriental times 4. Signs of mental distress or physical distress. I'm gonna go ahead and get your vital signs.
Someone is able to has full mobility, it's moist, insymmetrical midline. Assess the carotid pulses. Carotid pulses strong regular plus 2 amplitude. Ease of the response. The lymph nodes, the masses, lymph nodes are not opening. And check for skin tone. Goes back to its original position. I'm gonna listen to your lung cells every time I breathe. Every time I
Temperature is 97.8.
I poured my medication already, my formula already, it's the right amount. Yeah,
my clear, listen to your heart. Are you ready for pulmonary, tricuspid, and apical pulse for 1 full minute?
No, just boiling. And then I'm gonna turn it 180 degrees. And then keep going. Oh, and then can you look down?
that's when you give them this.
And then here's your water. I want you to keep
Sipping every few.
sipping every few.
Respiratory rate is 17 per minute. Blood pressure is 151 over 97. Pulse rate is 83. Beats per minute. Oxygen saturation is 96%.
Are you okay?
Doing the demonstration, she was saying, okay, this is fiber score for the day and then time initial. I remember I didn't mention that. So I didn't get the name.
I just want to repeat the question again. If you have any
Heart sounds
allergy.
S1 and S2.
I know you asked you already the question. Can you state me your name again, please?
Michelle Cabrera,
Your date of birth?
April 8, 1981.
Patient has no hoarse speech or slurred speech.
Go ahead
Head is normocephalic, atraumatic, hair is fairly distributed, scalp is pre-mentioned, no
Pulse
infestations.
less than 3 seconds. Bilaterally. Is there any signs of edema bilaterally?
Ears symmetrical, bilateral, no lesions, skin intact. I'm gonna check your tympanic membrane and your ear canal, okay?
Right here. Okay, sensation is intact bilaterally and the upper extremities. Go ahead and copy.
Ear canal is clear, no foreign object. Tympanic membrane pearly gray with good light reflection. Do you wear hearing aid?
No.
Can you close your eyes please and tell me where you hear the
No
sound?
signs of JV. Activate on this right position.
Hearing intact bilaterally. Do you wear eyeglasses?
No.
Eye symmetrical. Sclera is white. Conjunctiva pink and moist. I'm gonna introduce an object and I want you to follow it with your eyes only, okay?
Oh, yeah. So,
Doing the 6 cardinal gaze.
Here, do you feel any pain?
6 cardinal gaze met. Pupils. I'm gonna introduce light and check your pupils, okay? Can you look far?
Assessing the genital area, the skin is intact, no inflammation, no unusual discharge. Go ahead and turn to your side, over your left ear, getting pain, skin is intact,
is equal, ground, reactive to light and accommodation. Can you close your eyes for me?
Knock knock, hi. My name is Vanessa.
Nose midline, nasal septum intact, nasal passages clear, no discharge, nasal mucosa pink and moist, without no evidence of polyps. Can you open your eyes and can you close one of your nostrils?
High position.
Inhale and exhale.
High tolerance. I was gonna grab my pen.
Nose patterns with ease of breathing. Do you wear dentures?
No.
Lips pink and moist. The mouth line. Can you open your mouth, please?
Suction.
Oral mucosa, pink and moist. Teeth are in good repair. Open, please. Say Uvula in the midline rises upon phonation. No hoarse voice or slurring speech. Can you put your tongue out, please? Can you move it left and right, up and down? Tongue midline without tremors, with the muscle strength of 5. Can you smile for me? No facial asymmetry seen on the patient. Can you lean forward, please?
You prime it first. Yes, prime it.
Checking for the bony prominences on the back.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
No visible deformities, spine is intact, skin is intact, dry,
Hindi ko alam kung paano
no
ko
evidence of lesions or infections, as well as with the bony prominences. I'm gonna go ahead and
Oo. Pero si ate nung binidyo niya ako, sinabi ko
trachea in the midline, neck supple, no
well, mostly doon.
lymphadenopathy,
Pero kapag nagpapain ako,
thyroid is palpable, no tenderness. Carotid pulse, strong, equal, bilaterally, +2 without bruising. I'm gonna go ahead and check your lung sound. As I move the stethoscope, I want you to in and out your breath, okay? I'm gonna go start with your back.
That's why there's two heads. You don't start.
You wanna put...
Oh, you can switch on the other side. Sorry.
You wanna put Jose?
Hi, can I come in?
What is this?
Hi, my name is Rhoda and I'll be your nurse for today.
I am
Just please okay, please turn NG2.
That's the pop. Okay, I was like, which one
Verify
do
your
you?
name and date of birth, please.
What's that? The peach. Oh, peach.
Okay. So you are my right patient.
Oh, here's the.
So what I'm
Is this
gonna
the
do
thing?
now is I'm gonna prepare the supplies and then I'll be right back, okay?
Did you use this?
It's okay.
Hello.
Yeah, your
I
head's
just
done.
did the insertion today.
Okay, I'm gonna
What
make
did you?
sure
I did the removal and the. So did you use
have it
this?
straight.
I used the one without the thing, the head, without the band.
Lung sound is clear.
So that one? Yeah.
Bilaterally.
Position it so she doesn't.
No evidence of bruises, high or crumbles, chest, in and out,
This is gonna be your
symmetrical, bilaterally,
okay?
no lesions, no evidence of infections or swelling. Checking for skin turgor,
Then you would have. You don't have to.
no tinted seam, no evidence of edema. I'm gonna listen to your heart sound, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna have you
Okay.
put your head back so the patient's sitting in.
Is this on the table? For you.
Then do
Are you
like
working?
a butterfly.
Pulmonary,
Edward.
tricuspid,
I didn't do insertion.
and apical.
And then I
Apical
have
sound for
a
knee.
water for you to sip, okay? I don't know why it's grab my
Tapes.
no. Kasi before you really sit, before you really sit. Okay, so I'm gonna raise the bed so we're
Sterile.
working high.
It's not. So.
Okay, I wanna make sure the patient is seated upright, 90
There's no
degrees.
tissue, water cup, everything's there.
pulse is 94 beats per minute. No presence of S1 and S2. No murmurs, rubs or clicks heard. Miss Michelle, can you follow me please?
That the patient
Put your arms up,
pillow
palms
is
up,
like
palms
behind,
down.
behind the
Arms
shoulder.
up. Put your arms on the sideways
And
and then wiggle
I'm
your
gonna tell the patient
hands.
to
Can you
hyperextend the
move
head.
my hands? Can you push my hands please?
And then I have
Can you pull it? Patient is able to perform range of
I have
motion
a basin
with a
with warm
normal
water here.
limit. Skin is
place the
intact,
tube
no
later.
lesions, no signs of
And then-
infections,
Okay,
body
so-
prominences, no swelling.
did you have any
Muscle grade
trauma
is
with
5/5,
those
checking for
before?
edema.
no trauma? So I need to make sure that the patient has no trauma. Okay. Both nerves are intact.
No edema on both upper extremities bilaterally, checking for the radial pulse. Radial
Okay, now I'm gonna
pulse is
measure
strong,
the tube
equal
from
on both upper
the
extremities
earlobe
bilaterally, checking
to
for
the
the
tip of the
capillary
nose.
refill.
And then from tip of the nose to the xiphoid process.
Less than 2, capillary
And then
refill.
I'm going to
Can you
mark
close your
that.
eyes, please? Can you tell me where I touch you?
Right.
Patient sensation in both upper extremities intact. Miss Michelle, can you lay down for me, please?
Okay, now I've made my mark. And then
Putting
roll
up
the
the
tube.
bed on my working level. Putting up the head. Approximate it 45 degrees.
And then let it sit in the warm water for
Miss
10
Michelle, can you look up on your right side, please? Checking for a JVC. No JVC is less than 3. Do you have any problem with your BM?
Alright.
No.
Do you have
So
any
now
problem
I'm set up.
urinating?
No.
When was your last BM?
Any
This
time that you feel
Is it
uncomfortable, just
what's the
raise
consistency
either
of your
hand,
BM?
And then I'm
Is it
gonna start
no?
the procedure right away.
Do you have
And
any
then also
problem
I'm gonna
with your
instruct you
menstrual
to,
period?
No.
to
Do you have
swallow,
any
so when
abnormal
you
discharge?
swallow,
No.
take a sip of
Checking
water
pa,
and
do you have
swallow
any
because
itchiness?
I need to advance
Checking
the
for
tube,
genital
okay?
urinary area. So
Okay,
no
so
signs of
this is the
no
water.
skin is intact, no redness, no swelling, no abnormal discharge. Anus
And
is
then I need
dark as
to
compared to the
lubricate
surrounding
the
area
tube.
of the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and put the part down. Miss Michelle, I'm gonna listen to your
Any allergies?
abdominal sounds, okay? Abdomen is round and flat. No signs of lesions or infections or swelling. I'm gonna go ahead and listen for 5 to 10
Okay, the patient
minutes.
has-
I'll start
patient
in
said
the
you
right
wanna, like,
lower
answer like how we
quadrant.
practice?
Or no?
Right
Okay.
lower
I'm gonna
quadrant.
insert the
Left
tube now and I
upper
want you to take a
quadrant,
sip,
5 to 10
okay?
seconds. Left upper quadrant, 5
Swallow.
to 10
Take a sip of water and
seconds.
swallow, swallow.
Left lower quadrant, 5 to 10
Swallow.
seconds.
Swallow.
Hi, my name is Vanessa.
Swallow.
Today I will
Um,
be your nurse.
Alright. So now I'm
Hyperactive
just
bowel
gonna
sounds
read
in
the
all
to the
quadrants of the
throat.
abdomen.
If
I'm
there's
gonna go
any
ahead and
oil,
palpate.
there's
Tell
any
me
oil,
whenever you
I
feel
see that
tenderness,
tube
okay?
refers
Do you have any
to the throat.
allergies?
So now I'm gonna ask the patient
No,
to
okay,
tap their chin.
Are you breathing fine today?
No.
Can you close one
No
nose and
tenderness
breathe
upon
and do it to the other
palpation,
side?
no
So when you tap her chin,
organomegaly,
close
and
the trachea
no
and then-
evidence of hernia.
Okay, so
And
now
So
on
I'm
your
gonna
right
check
nostril.
on the lower
Alright,
extremities.
so now take
Miss
another
Michelle, are you able to
sip
put
of
your
water
knee
for my
towards
right
your
leg.
chest,
Now
please?
swallow.
And the left lower hip, please. Can you reach my hands with your right? And then your left, please. Can you push my hands? Can you pull my hands? Can you move your hands up? plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. Note your
We'll
feet.
be
Plantar
checking the
flexion.
measurement for your
Patient is able to perform range of motions within normal limit in both lower extremities, bilaterally, with muscle grade 5/5, checking for the dorsal posterior tibialis
So it is
pulse,
45
I'm gonna secure it
centimeters.
with
Um,
tape for now until
dorsalis pedis pulse,
because
both
we need to
posterior
get an
tibialis and
order
dorsalis
for placement.
pedis pulse equal, strong, bilaterally, plus
Are you
2.
doing okay?
I'm checking for the capillary repeal.
Alright. Okay, so now.
Capillary repeal less than 2. Checking
Okay,
for the
so now let's
edema.
just wait until we get a confirmation
facial
that the tube
tissue.
is in place. I will update you once the
No
tube is
edema
in
seen.
place.
Can you
I'll let you
close your
know when
eyes
to
for
take
me
a
and
sip,
tell me
okay?
where I touch
And
you,
then so
okay?
now
Right.
I'm
Left.
gonna
Lower
your
extremity
leg.
sensation
centimeters.
equal in both
The-
lower
the-
extremities bilaterally
the
as
head
well
of
as
that
no
is,
edema seen.
30 degrees.
All the bony prominence in the
Here's
lower
your
extremities.
Basin.
No signs of swelling.
Are you comfortable?
No signs of
Alright.
tenderness
So thank
upon
you so
palpation.
much.
So, is there
and then can you
any
touch your
question? Do you have any question for me?
Any
No.
help? Do you need to
Are
go
you
potty?
comfortable with your position?
Yes. Do you need any belongings near you? Actually, here's your table.
Do you want me your do you want your bed up?
Do you need
No.
Okay,
Do you want your light
here's
off?
in.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna check for
Leave it on.
All right.
foil.
So, open
So
it
do you want
up.
your things with you?
Okay.
Here are your things,
And
Miss
now
Michelle.
180
And here is your
degrees.
call
Right
light. So
away.
if ever you need anything, just press that one, and I will gonna go ahead and check on you.
Here's your TV. Here's the remote.
What are my white feet?
I'm gonna go ahead and do the hand hygiene and hand washing. Thank you so much.